Hey, huh? You were humming.
Oh, sorry. I guess I got a little carried away by the music.
That's okay. Actually, it's great. That was my mother's favorite song. She used to sing it to me when I was little.
Hey, what's that wonderful sound underneath the tune in that song?
That's the sound of the singing whales of melody. The whale singing keeps the whole planet in balance.
Musa! The singing whales are gone!
But that can't happen!
The sea has taken them!
But... Melody, without the whales, Dad!
Musa!
Dad! I have to go to Melody. I have to go right now.
We know. We're coming with you.
We're going to need the others for this.
Melody is falling apart! Everywhere is falling apart. It's the pillar of balance. I've got to get home. Fast!
We'll take the Odyssey Explorer.
You guys meet us at the yacht. Then we can go straight to Melody together. Oh, what's happening? What's going on? We must get out here.
What's happening?
Looks like Bloom was right. Tritanus has hit us again. Father, what should we do?
Listen, Sky, we must return to Heraklion immediately. Our kingdom is in danger.
Go home! Secure your realms! Protect your citizens!
It's tough sledding out here. How much farther? We are approaching the coordinates from the map. Not much longer.
could they have gone? Don't worry, Musa. We'll find them. This is it! Then let's get down there before this whole place falls apart. Winx, transform!
Magic Winx! Cyrix!
Blue, Fairy of the Dragon Flame!
Musa, Fairy of Music.
Tecna, Fairy of Technology! Flora, Fairy of Nature!
Aisha, Fairy of Waves!
Stella, Fairy of the Shining Sun.
This way!
The Winx, they're here. Bloom, Winx, Tritanus has the seal, and he's headed this way with Icy.
Let's ambush them!
Ambush?
I like it.
Yeah.
You guys take on Icy. Check. We'll handle Tritanus. And take back the seal. Wait until you have a clear shot at them and act together. Now everybody, hide!
Over here, you guys. Hurry, hurry! Right behind you.
In here!
They're coming.
We've got the second seal.
Let's collect all three.
Where are Darcy and Stormy?
I don't know. Maybe they're just late?
Something's not right.
I'm so looking forward to having power over, like, everything.
What could be better?
Let me think about it. Nothing.
Ready? Ready.
Let's do this.
Go get them, Winx.
The Winx!
What?
Blinding ray!
Spreading fire! Naiad's attack! Digital strike! Lotus flower! Percussive hit!
Icy! Get away from her!
Light diamond!
Lava jab! Neptune sting! Watch out!
Oh no!
Stella! Are you okay?
I'll be fine. Don't let Tritanus get away.
Don't worry, Stella. We're on it.
Have
a nice nap.
Oh no! Tritanus!
Icy! I'm coming!
Not so fast, Romeo! We've got plans for you!
Dragon Punch!
The seal!
Watch out! That's right! You've got double trouble, Tritanus!
Ha! You two don't scare me!
Got it!
No!
Someone's a little slow.
Give it to me!
Aisha! I will protect you!
We're here, Lemmy. We won't let you hurt the Winx monster.
That's it! Give me that seal, monster! What?
What is that?
The singing whales! Oh, sister, your ride is here. Say hello to our new pets. The singing whales! They've enchanted them! Their song! It's horrible! So, what do you think?
Pretty awesome, huh?
Whatever. Where's Tritanus? There he is! And he still has the seal.
Oh, forget Tritanus!
You've got us. You don't need him. Seriously? But Icy.
We're your sisters!
Okay, last time I'm saying this, I will never leave Tritanus. Never, ever, 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 ever.
Oh.
Now I'm out of here. But,
Icy!
oh, and get those whales to destroy the Winx. Yeah.
It's unbearable.
Make it stop! No! Bloom, stop! No, you can't hurt them! Melody won't survive without them.
We're not going to survive with them.
Don't worry. I know what to do.
Then we'll get out of your way. Everybody, let's go!
Looks like her friends left Musa all alone.
That's one Winx down.
So what do you say we put seal number 2 in the Emperor's throne?
Sounds delightful.
Oh, you know what gets me? We save their bacon, and they don't even say thank you.
Voice of Cyrenic!
I close my eyes and you return to me on waves of ocean melody. No magic can make you reappear, but in the song of the whales you are always here.
Go home. Go home to Melody.
Let's go after Tritanus. We can catch him.
We can get the seal back.
Oh!
No, there's no time.
To the Pillar of Balance?
Exactly.
We'll show you the way.
Way to go, Musa!
Your mom would be proud.
Hey! Dad!
Musa, daughter! Welcome, Winx. Thank you for restoring the singing whales to Melody.
Don't thank us. That was all Musa.
100%.
I sang to them. Return to me.
Your mother's favorite song. How beautiful.
I miss her so much.
Ah, yes. I wish you could be here with us.
I wish that too, Dad. I was thinking that maybe I could use my wish to bring her back to life, but I know that's not right.
Your mom would be very proud of you, Musa. And very happy that her song lives in your heart.